Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. I also work as a theoretical economist and a operations researcher. The very first commercial software package my company came out with is called Optimal Manager. So what I've been doing now for a number of weeks, is to go through each program unit, just one program unit per week of Optimal Manager. So this was written in 1982. The user interface was very advanced for the time. It still works. It works under any version of Windows, but there's some misalignment of if you use DOSBox, which is what I'm using here, as an emulator under Windows 64-bit. So, but just follow the indices when you look at the input screen. The output is all correctly aligned though, so there's no issue with that. And there's the phone, and I'm just going to turn it off. Okay, forget the phone. So here's the sign-on screen, Optimal Manager software package, 47 program units to optimize your business. So you can see copyright 1982, so just press enter. Optimal Manager has 4 modules: optimal product investment, optimal product manufacture, optimal product distribution, and optimal product pricing and advertising. We're still working in optimal product investment, so I input an I here. Now, we've already covered product demand forecast, decision making without sampling, decision making with sampling, profit prediction and break-even analysis, and profit and cost comparison. So now we're on to program unit 6, allocation of funds to investment opportunities with known returns. So I just put a 6 in and enter. Would you like to see the program unit description? Yes, I would. So I'll read this. And by the way, the original price of this package, and we kept the price for many, many years, was $495. But because this is 2020 and we're in this deep recession / depression, we've slashed prices on all of TransPower software, including Optimal Manager. This one is down to $95. If you want the printed manual, that's another $95. But all the descriptions are included within the program unit, so it's really not necessary to get the manual. But some cases, a business might require to have the manual, so it's still available, still in print. Okay, so here's the program unit, allocation of funds to investment opportunities with known returns. This program unit solves the problem of how to allocate funds to alternative investments with known returns. Inputs to the program unit consist of the total funds for investment, the number of incremental investments, the number of investment opportunities, and the return of each investment opportunity for each incremental amount. The output consists of the optimal amount to invest in each opportunity and the total return. Dynamic programming is used. So dynamic programming is an advanced technique of operations research, but it's all within the program unit. All of the math is inside the program unit, so it's not like a spreadsheet where you have to put in the equations yourself. All of the great mathematics, all the operations research mathematics are included in each program unit. So I hit C to continue. And we'll take a look at the sample file here. Of course, you'd put in your own file. I'm going to hit E to exit. We'll go through each field. And you just read the bottom of the screen. It tells you exactly what the field is. How would you like the report titled? Okay, allocation funds to investments. That's your name or my name right there, the company, the date. So I ran this in 22 September 1982. The project is investment optimization. So the total investment amount is $12,000. We have 3 increments, and we have 3 opportunities, and we're storing this in file number 1. So I'm going to hit A to accept, and then we're on input screen 2. Now you can see the misalignment here. That's because DOSBox does not include a config.sys file, so I can't enter the line device equals ANSI-IBM.sys. But if you just read the bottom of the screen, it'll tell you the correct index of the matrix. So what is return investing increment 0 in opportunity 1? Well, it's going to be 0. And then what is the return investing increment 1, opportunity 1, 6,000, etc. for all the rest of these. So all you do is just read the bottom of the screen and you'll be okay. Now hit A to accept. The computation is going to be, of course you could save the data and then compute back to screen 1 if you want to change something, or compute only. So you can see, even though I wrote this in 1982, it's a very advanced user interface. It's so easy to use. Compute only, and computation is instantaneous basically. You can go to the screen only or printer and screen. We're going to go to screen, of course, but you can print out the results to paper if you want. And we'll go screen link to check out each output screen. So all the input you put in is included in the output, of course. And here you can see everything is lined up nicely. So there's no issue with that. And then we have the 2 columns here, investment opportunity and the optimal amount to invest. So just hit enter, and there it goes. So we don't invest anything in opportunity 1. In opportunity 2, we invest 4,000. In opportunity 3, we invest 8,000. And our total return is 30,000, which is pretty good. All right, so that's it. It's about as simple as you can be. And then when you're done, you just hit E to exit, and you're back to the module menu. And then you hit 0, and you've exited the program. And I have a nice little tagline here: may all your decisions be optimal. All right, so that wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. Please consider getting Optimal Manager. If you order the package either from Amazon or transpowercorp.com, we'll send you a Dropbox download link the same or next day. Most likely the same day. It's really that simple. And of course, we provide free email or phone support for all of our packages, all of our software. Thanks for your attention.